Hey guys, hi, this is Julie, the Creative Chica. So I'm coming to you with a little video on a recipe book that I made. And this is a mini binder that I got at Walmart. And it is about 9 inches by 7¼ inches. And the paper pack that I used on here were 2 of them. So I used one for the background and I used one for the stickers and all that kind of stuff. So these are some of them, and it's called Delish, and this is by paperhouse.com, and I'd gotten this a few years ago at Tuesday Morning. And the other one that I got and I used throughout the whole book is called Homemade with Love, and that is a Cartabella paper. I love this paper. It is so beautiful. So you can see all the different papers that it has in here. And it's got recipe cards and stickers and all kinds of neat stuff. So that's that. So, like I said, I did the stickers here, recipes, delicious. So I used both of the sticker pack by Delish and also this Made with Love paper. So I got a strip here that is a sticker and it feels good, like down. Then I put another piece of paper here. And then a strip here, although this one will have to come up because of these divots or rivets. They kind of impede this paper. So and plus this is a plastic cover. So I found some duct tape that I will put here, and that it's beautiful, pretty duct tape that will work with this. And this is Happy Tummies, Mix It Up, Serious Foodie. So let's go into the inside of the book. And the inside is this meal planning pages that I found on Pinterest. And I made these meal prep for her. So if I haven't told you guys, I'm making this for my twin sister at Christmas time. And so I'm going to be giving that to her. And so there's a pocket here. There's a little tiny pocket in the binding here, but it's not really a pocket, but I just put this here to make it cohesive. And so this is the first page, and I have a recipe, my mom's tortillas. Then I have these ingredients. These are all from the paper pack, and I think they're so pretty. In the back of the paper is the red. It's all red. So that's beautiful. I made this pocket here. I just kind of copied the bigger one that I had, and I shrunk it down to this page. So then there's some stickers there. There is some recipe cards that I bought at Hobby Lobby with the lemons, because we like citrus. She likes citrus. I like citrus. So I thought it would be pretty to have that in there. She could put her own recipes on the cards. And that's from the sticker pack, the Delish sticker pack. These were printed from a printable off the internet. I just wrote recipe cards, printable. And this was one of them that came up. And I printed it on a good cardstock so she could have a recipe that will last, not just on thin paper. So here is a sticker, and it's a measuring equivalent and paper. And then we got, this will stick to the refrigerator. And I got this dinner homemade, Mix It Up pocket. And there's some more of those recipe cards. This has a little magnet, and it opens up this way. And I got this idea from Julie Villanueva, and I'll put her link down below on her on the album that she made, because she made like a kitchen album also, like a recipe album. And I got this idea from her, and I love it. So cute. So here's more pocket. Another pocket here. And this is Happy Tummies. And I made a little tuck spot there. And this, I'm not sure where I got them, but I got a pack of them. I think it was 99-cent store. I'm sure it wasn't the Dollar Tree. I'm pretty sure it wasn't. But if you guys picked these up at the Dollar Tree, let me know, because I can't remember which one it was. But anyway, this is going to go in here. And more recipe cards. Another little opening. Oops, I got to fix that. Got to fix that. So another little opening. Okay, with a pocket. This is a pocket. They have all the tabs, but I will give her the labels so she can put them in any order she wants. Here's another little pocket here. Isn't this cute? The little spoon, salt and pepper. You could actually write a recipe if you wrote real tiny, but you could write other things too. So there's that. There's another, more pages, and another, like another spot there for recipes. And I used a strip, and it says homemade with love, so I used the strip at the bottom of the paper and some of the beautiful stickers it came with. I love this pack. It just comes with so many beautiful papers. So here's another one. Opens up. Isn't this adorable? It says my favorites, and it's got the little frying pan. I just love this paper. And then here are more of these, and this is Simplest Best Recipe, and there's the recipe cards, Mom's Recipes, and she could pass this on to her kids. More recipe cards, and this cutout came from the front. So this part that's gone, that I cut out, I used it here. So there's that. And another, I love this page. I love the colors. Okay, so this has little tabs. So I have little pockets in here for some little tabs, and I'll probably put other things in there. Maybe I'll put little to and from tags in case she wants to make like goodies for somebody. That would be really cute to add in here, or even in the pocket. So there's that. And then I made a special envelope, and this was my own idea, is making this envelope to put something in here. Now, in hindsight, I could have left this open to put more stuff in there, but I didn't want to confuse her. I figured this is enough, and it's a great little space for that. And then finally you get to the back, and then there's another little pocket here, and more of these beautiful recipe cards. And the back is just this gorgeous paper. I thought we would just leave it to this gorgeous paper. And then here we have, I just wanted to leave this paper in here so we could show you that it's a place to put things. And I didn't want to, you know, like leave it open, so I thought it would be perfect for this. And she could put anything she wants back here, like more recipe cards. So, and then, so this is the back again. Happy Tummies, Mix It Up, Serious Foodie. So that is my family recipe book that I will be giving her. And I appreciate you guys stopping by, taking a look, and yeah, just joining me today. And I hope everybody's doing well. And I hope that if you're new, you'll come back. And I appreciate my subscribers. And I want to thank you guys for supporting me. So if you're not subscribed, please hit the bell and subscribe. And I'd love to have you as part of my crafty family. So that's it for today, guys. You take care, and we'll talk to you soon.